Hi, I'm Jamie Evans, and I'm presenting about childhood apraxia of speech. CAS is the official name of a disorder that simply doesn't fall into any other category. It's just a name for kids that have speech sound difficulties. However, it's different from others because these kids have difficulties specifically with the planning and programming of speech sounds. When a person goes through saying a word, the brain recognizes certain movements to make and muscles to use in the mouth, tongue, throat, and palate that affect speech. Children with CAS have problems connecting the sounds that want to make and the movements that require them. Childhood apraxia of speech, or CAS, and apraxia in adults are two different things that are caused by different things. In adults, it's much more common to be the result of head trauma or disorder involving certain connecting pathways in the brain. These kinds of things are much more likely in adults because of the increased risk and exposure. However, that doesn't mean it can't happen in kids. It's just a lot less likely. The causes of CAS are much more elusive and complicated. As far as most speech pathologists can guess, the children displaying behavior related to CAS have little to no brain damage, and most problems can be fixed over time through physical, occupational, or speech therapy. CAS, though it originates in the brain, doesn't inherently inhibit a child from most other activities. It isn't a weakness in the muscles and around the mouth, or the inability to use them. They can do other things quite well, like chewing and swallowing. CAS only directly affects the speech of the child, not communication in general or any other mouth movements. Thank you for listening. For more information on CAS, I recommend watching the video from Mayo Clinic in Neuropathology of Speech.